How are you? We're glad you're back at Wealthy Coin. What Nasdaq just said about Shiba Inus that will push Shib to $1 is today's Shib news. Since their all-time high of 8,845 cents in October of last year, Shiba Inu prices have been going down. The token has lost about 85% of its value and was worth 1,123 cents at the time of press. Satoshi Kusama, the main creator, has come up with a way to raise the price of Shibs to 10 cents. Shiba Inu burns were made so there would be less of them and more people would want them. But this has only worked in part. CNN said at the end of last month that the number of Shiba Inus being burned had gone up by thousands of percentage points. Sheer burn shows, though, that this rate changes quickly. Even though the number of Shibs has been going down, this hasn't changed the prices much. In this video, we'll talk about what Nasdaq just said about Shiba Inus and how it will make Shib hit $1 today. Remember to smash the thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel to see our latest predictions and expert research about Shiba Inu prices. So, let's start the video right away. In March, more than 6.78 billion Shib tokens were burned, making it one of the biggest burns. In December 2022, 1.12 billion things were burned. In October, there were 9.5 billion Shib and 1.62 billion Shib in November. After burning more than 8 billion tokens in just over a month, the Coyote token is already a big part of this. The Coyote platform wants to provide billions of dollars in trading volumes at the Shibarium launch, along with massive Shib burns, giving the platform developer a huge boost in utility. Kusama has talked about how prices have dropped and said that the burns don't seem to have changed the prices because they are so low. This is clear when you look at the Shib's value in dollars, how many tokens were burned, and the overall amount. Shibarium is a part of why Shibarium is burning. Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer, has said before that the final goal is to burn trillions of dollars worth of Shib coins. This week, CNF reported that Kusama had confirmed this. Shibarium has more than 5 million wallet addresses and has handled more than 2 million transactions in just 3 weeks since it started. Even though Shib has been in a process of settling down. With all of these changes, buyers are getting more and more hopeful. 10 cents, Crypto Rand, a top trader and investor, has called attention to Shib's share of a chart that shows a breakout in the coming days and weeks. The fact that Shib is one of the top tokens held by whales on the Ethereum blockchain backs up this study. With their help, Shib is sure to break out and have long-term success. The number of tokens in circulation has dropped significantly on the Shiba Inu Shib network, as nearly 250 million tokens have recently been taken out of circulation. Taking out such a large number of tokens from circulation could increase the value of Shiba Inus. As the number of tokens in circulation goes down, their shortage may go up, which could lead to more demand and higher prices. This is a step forward because of the recent rise in network and market action for meme-based cryptocurrencies. Recently, Shiba Inu has been gaining ground on the market and has passed the 200-day moving average. Investors and traders who are looking for good chances in the crypto market are interested in this bullish trend. Shiba Inu may be on the way to growing even more, based on the rising interest and the recent token burn events. The latest Ethereum unlock, which made the cryptocurrency market more volatile, was also good for the Shiba Inu community. As market volatility rises, investors tend to choose riskier investments like Shiba Inu. Even though the removal of 250 million tokens from circulation and recent market events may point to a bright future for Shiba Inu, investors should be careful and do a lot of research before entering the market. Cryptocurrency markets are very fickle, which means that unplanned events or changes in the market can have a big effect on the price of digital assets. Shiba Inu lead games expert William Vault posted a picture of Shiba Inu dogs walking on leashes on Twitter. He added a note to the tweet. While tagging Shib and Shiba, it must be a sign. It must be a sign. Shib Shiba Eternity William_Valk on April 15, 2023, at William_Valk. In February, PlayStation teased a new puzzle game that had nothing to do with the Shiba Inu project and asked gamers to play as a Shiba Inu. This got a lot of attention. In the picture that Valk sent, the Shiba Inu looked like it was having fun. The comments people made in answer to Valk's tweet could give a hint about what he and heard someone on Twitter say great things going and at the lookout image. Even though more information about what Valk meant hasn't come out as of press time, the Shiba Inu community is still keeping their fingers crossed that something good will happen in the games sector. Shiba Eternity will come out in October 2022. It is a free-to-play collectible card game that was made by Playside Studios with the help of William Valk and Shiba Inu head Satoshi Kusama came out for iOS and Android people all over the world. Shiba Eternity is based on Kibashas, which are a special race of Shiba Inu dogs who have made their own technology, art, and weapons. There are more than 500 unique cards to collect and 10,000 different Shibushi heroes. Shigeyoshi Kazama said in a Shibarium blog post this year that the goal of Shiba Eternity was to make a good game that could be licensed to the larger Shibushi community and turned into a rewarding Shibarium version. He said that this game was still going as planned and hinted at a blockchain release. After Shiba Eternity Law came out in November of last year, Kusama said that the blockchain version was now his main focus. Shiba Inu, a cryptocurrency based on a joke, has been making waves of its own. The Shiba Inu team just started a new project called Shibarium. Its goal is to make the Shib community a decentralized, self-run organization called DAO. The DAO will let Shib owners take part in running the network, like voting on ideas and making decisions about how the project will grow in the future. The launch of Shibarium was well received by the Shib community, and many people saw it as a big step in the project's growth. Shib's price has also gone up in the past few days, and the coin is now worth about 1,129 cents. Even though there is a lot of good going on, we have some shocking news. The Singapore-based crypto market Bitrue said in a tweet that hackers took $23 million from one of its wallets early Friday. Bitrue didn't say what happened during the attack. We found a short hole in one of our hot wallets at 7:18 p.m. UTC on April 14, 2023. We were able to take care of this quickly and stop any more money from being stolen, Bitrue said, adding that the team was looking into the case. The thieves were able to take out about $23 million worth of goods in the following currencies: Shagala, Shibhat, Matic. The conversation helped. Bitrue said that the wallet that was hacked had less than 5 of the total funds and that the other wallets were not affected. All withdrawals have been briefly stopped by the exchange. It plans to let people take money out again on April 18. All users who can be found to have been hurt by this incident will get full compensation. The end of the post. eToro and Twitter have teamed up to offer direct trading services to Twitter users. eToro is a social investing tool that has teamed up with Twitter